In front of me is ZTE Blade A71, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth section right away. Then tap on this switcher to enable Bluetooth feature and click on Pair New Device. Over here, you need to tap on one of the available ones that you wish to connect to. In order to continue, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a while, my smartphones were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to the device and tap on Forget. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to connect to the same one, just click on Pair New Device, click on it and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!